guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirley aka The Glam Soul. So today's video, as you all have read the name, Pack and Prep with me. So it's all about the pre-preparations and all the packing and stuff, everything that a girl does, everything you all need for traveling. Yes, it's my 2024's first international trip. We are going to Georgia and Baku. So I'm running super late now. I have an appointment scheduled for my facial and manicure pedicure. So yes, we'll start the video, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Without any further ado, let's get started. Hi guys, I'm back after 3 hours. Yes, it took me 3 hours to do my facial, bleach, manicure and pedicure. You can clearly see I'm glowing, and this glow will increase a lot the next day and the day after. Also, I wanted to show you I have this two zits here. Very bad. Very bad before a trip. Yes, I'm hoping that they go in like 3 days. So yes, so today's task was this glow up facial, and then I also have one task for today. I'll write down all the to-do list for all the travel essentials, everything, each and everything which I have to take, which I have to pack with me. Also, I have to make a content list, content planning for my YouTube shorts, YouTube long form. I'm vlogging there. Yes, so a lot of work to do. So today I'll just rest, relax, and plan everything nicely. Tomorrow is my packing. It's going to take me hours and hours, I know that, but we will do it. Hello guys, so today is day 2 and we have 3 days left, and today is my packing day. So yesterday, as you all have seen, that I have written a nice to-do list, each and everything in detail for all my packing essentials, so that it makes my packing very easy and does not cause any confusion during all the mess. So I'll take you through all the steps which I follow during packing. So step 1 is, firstly I prepare a Pinterest mood board on my Pinterest. So that I can finalize the outfit, so that I can pick something related to that, related to the trip, the outfits I'm planning from my wardrobe itself, so that I can mix and match and play around with them. See, I take some clothes according to my Pinterest board from my wardrobe, and then I look if they are looking nice, if they're looking cool, and then I keep it aside. And after that, what all things are to be needed to shop, I make a list of them, and then only I shop. I just don't keep randomly scrolling out through the websites and keep on shopping. No, I make a list related to everything, like clothing, like accessories, jewelry, shoes. If I have them, I do not shop, and if I don't have them, I make a list of them and shop. Step number 2 is shopping. So I shop, mostly I shop everything online, because I am not accessible to any malls or anything stuff. If I get a chance to go outside, then I shop in the malls, and rather I do everything online. Then I'll show you everything quickly. I'll do like a mini haul. Let's quickly do this. First, I'll show you all the mess I have done in my room now. So these are all the clothes which I have finalized, which I have already tried out them and finalized the outfits. And these are all my bags and all the vanity bags. These are all the bags, chappals, these are jewelry, and these are all the shopping material. I'll show you that quickly. Let's start with clothing first, or what all items I have got. Okay, so first thing is this maxi dress. It's a white maxi dress. It's like a square neck above, and it is backless, and it has a knot in between, and it's a long maxi dress. I'll put up the pictures here so you can see how it looks like. I have bought these 2 night suits. This one is pink and this one is yellow. It's like a same print they have, like a checkered print. Next is this white one shoulder top from Street Style Store. Again from Street Style Store. It's like a tube top. Next is this trending white maxi skirt. This one I got from Meesho. Next is this blue striped shirt which I have got from H&M to layer over anything. Next I have got this super chic white pants. See, these are long and these are wide leg at the bottom. These are from Little Box India. I'll try to link everything down for you guys. And I've also got this white top, tank top from Street Style Store. Then I've got this cute comfy black shorts from H&M. Okay, that was all for the clothing things. Now we'll go to accessories. These are the packing cubes which I have ordered. It has many cubes. Let's see how it goes, so that all my things stay in one place and it looks quite sorted out. And mascara, and concealer, L'Oreal Paris Root Touch Up hairspray for my grey hair. Then this is Bombay Shaving Company's Lavender Hair Removal Spray. This is for my back. I'm going to wear all backless, so I don't want anything interrupting. So this is the spray. I'm trying it for the first time, and after that you can wipe it off with this sponge. See how cute it is.
Then moving on to
footwear. For footwear I have got these sliders. It will go with any and it will be super comfy over there.
Then other thing I have got this
heels. These are like transparent strap heels, so that it can go with everything. Not forgetting my favorite bag from H&M. I always wanted, so very important for a trip. These are this invisible push-up pasties. They look like this, and this is the inside part. Next are these simple pasties which I have got. See, and these are some jewelry pieces. For this I'll make a separate haul on my Instagram reel. Please follow me on Instagram. That was all for the shopping haul. Now step 3 is ironing the clothes. Yes, I do iron my clothes prior. I don't rely on the iron if we get there in the hotel room or anything. So I don't know how much it will stay, but yes, I'll iron them quickly. So that is a step 3. So let's do it quickly. Hello guys, so we have 2 days remaining now. For today I've also made my to-do list, what all I have to achieve. So I'm done with my packing. As you all saw yesterday, it took me a whole day, yes, literally a whole day to pack everything. I wrapped up around, I started at around 5 and then I wrapped it around 11. Yes, I was very tired, but it's all done now. And today I have my haircut and hair spa appointment. So like it's in 10 minutes. I'm leaving now. I'm all ready. I'll show you how it turns out. And also I have many things planned for today. Let's see how it goes. Yes. So let's start the day. Back home and done with my haircut and hair spa. My hair feels so soft and the face framing bangs, they look amazing. So 2 days to go, and yesterday after the hair I was very busy, you guys. I managed somehow to go to a local store, not a store but Store Plus pharmacy. and managed to get some stuff, some remaining last minute stuff, as you all know. So I was just getting ready for my work and I thought of showing you all the stuff which I've got. I guess we'll need some better lighting. Okay, this is good, I guess. Okay, so the first stuff I got, this new range, I saw something of Garnier Micellar Vitamin C water. I already had used the 2 pink bottles and 1 yellow bottle, and this one is something new, I guess. This is the Vitamin C micellar water. I know there will be a lot of makeup and all the skincare junkie, so I wanted to go with like a good cleanser, so at the end of the day I can, you know, thoroughly cleanse my face and it will be all fresh. The next item is this body wash. I was actually searching for a travel size body wash, but I couldn't get my hands on, so this was smelling quite good, and also my regular body wash was also finished, so I thought of taking this. Next is my absolute go-to face mask. I keep purchasing many face masks, you guys, but my favorite will always be this. This actually works, and I also like to travel with face packs sometimes, because if I get the tan, if I'm not getting that proper glow, I like to put on a face mask the night before on my vacation. So this one is that. Next I wanted a face scrub. Actually don't like Everyuth that much, but I got this because it's in small travel size. Some travel size shampoo and conditioners, so I couldn't get any other, so I got this range, L'Oreal Paris Total Repair 5, small travel size. Got this Carmesy ones had gotten very old, so I've got the new ones for my face shaving, and I also carry them with me. It also has a face and eyebrow razor. Next I got some sanitary napkins handy, and then I got this paint spray, very important. Medicines, like handy. That was it. That was all for the haul. I like to do some mini haul. So today's agenda is I have to buy one pen drive. I have to fix my tempered glass of my phone, and the next thing is I'm going to do my nails today at the end of the day after finishing all my work, dinner and everything. I have called her, so I have to rush for work now. So as you all saw, I have done my nails yesterday, and all the wellnessing and other things I have finished it, and we are leaving tonight. Also, I forgot to show you my nails. See how pretty do they look? They are like a cherry red color. Still have so much things to do. Do my root touch up, body shave, face shave, back shave, and also pack the remaining things which are like skincare and makeup stuff here and there, and toiletries, etc., medicines. Yeah, we'll quickly do that. So end of the day and done with all the things that needed to be packed and prepped, everything. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. So we are leaving in like half an hour now. Everything is packed, everything is done, and yes, you will probably be seeing this vlog once I come back from the trip, because I'm not going to upload anything because I can't edit anything over there. So I have shot everything, and also I'll be vlogging there, so lot of content coming through your way. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe, and yes, wish me happy journey. Bye.